Hi guys, on the 11th of October, a train collided with a bus in Thailand and 20 people were killed during that accident. I'll let you guys continue the reading here. It has happened in Thailand and at least 20 people were killed and several others were injured. Now, I dream a similar incident like this on the 28th of July, a few months before this happened in real life. And the title is a train accident in India, Pakistan. As you know, India, Pakistan, they are within that area of Thailand. And I knew it somewhere somehow that a train is going to collide with a bus. And in that area, if not India or Pakistan. I'll let you guys read it. It has happened exactly the same thing, except 27 people did not killed. It's 20 people were killed and 30 others were injured. And I knew it can happen anywhere within that area or circumference that I always said in my video. I hope you guys can read it properly there. Thank you for watching guys. Please share it.